With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, here the question is: a ball falls from a height h over an inclined plane of inclination 30 degree as shown. After the collision, the ball moves horizontally. The coefficient of restitution is. Let u be the initial velocity and v be the final velocity of the ball. Here the angle of inclination is 30 degree. Therefore, this angle is also equal to 30 degree. Now, this velocity v will be resolved into two components. Here, the vertical component will be v sine of 30 degree and horizontal component will be along the inclined plane, which is nothing but v cos of 30 degree. Now here the value of coefficient of restitution, that is E, will be defined as the ratio of velocity of ball and inclined plane after and before the collision. So E will be equal to V, that is velocity after collision, divided by velocity before collision. Along the line of impact. So here velocity after collision, after the impact, will be equal to v sine of 30 degree. So v sine of 30 degree divided by velocity before collision along the line of impact will be equal to v cos of 30 degree. So here, u cos of 30 degree, it is actually u cos of 30 degree. So here v divided by u into tan of 30 degree. Now from figure we can say that tan of 30 degree will be equal to v divided by u, as this vector will represent the component u. Actually this is u cos of 30 degree. Now here from this triangle we can say that from figure tan theta will be equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is v divided by u. So, and here theta is equal to 30 degree, therefore tan theta will be equal to v by u. Now we can replace this v by u by tan of 30 degree. So coefficient of restitution E will be equal to tan square 30 degree. So it will be equal to 1 upon root 3 bracket square, which will be equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the value of coefficient of restitution will be equal to 1 by 3. That is option number 1 will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.